Okay. Application software. The application software was my thing, and the basic definition is that it's just a type of computer program that performs a specific personal or educational task. Each program is designed to assist the user with like a particular process, e.g. productivity, creativity, or communication. Here are some examples. We have the Microsoft ones, Teams and SharePoint, the internet browsers, Google and Bing, and others like Spotify, Skype, and Discord. One example of Discord is the Tavern. Okay, what does this picture show to you? Anyone? Wrong. It shows how. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. How application software can be used together. Yeah, that's what it shows. Okay, story time. Where's the animation? Story time. That's you, and that's your problem. Now you want to get to the other side of the mountain. What do you need? Well, you go to the application software. So you go to them, they come and help you, and together as one, you can go through the mountain. And the mountain's gone, everyone's happy. So everyone's sharing party time, you get through the mountain. To sum up, when working as a team, it's much easier to use collaboratory applications when multiple people can talk, meet, and work on the same thing at the same time. And it can even do around the world. So I could be in Malaysia, James could be in America, and we both do teams. Easy. Some applications might do everything in one, but they do it to a lower quality. When there's applications built for that process, it's better to use the applications built for it, but many applications built for the different processes. You can use Teams in conjunction with Word to work on others making a research paper, or in conjunction with Adobe Photoshop to make magazines and whatnot, and that's about it. And thank you for listening.